Science is rarely done well in a vacuum. There are Einsteins out there who can think of things all on their own. And then there's the rest of us who can only do this stuff if we have great people around us inspiring us. Pew understands that, and they've created this environment where that happens.
The Pew Biomedical Scholars Program has been supporting early career scientists for over 40 years. I was a biomedical scholar in 1990.
The 2019 cohort.
From the class of 1995.
I'm a 2020 scholar. I study how humans sense different temperatures. It's a very challenging topic to study because temperature is invisible. Without a concrete evidence, it's very challenging to get funded by a traditional source. But Pew is different. They believe you can be successful and support your ideas.
Getting that first grant was critical for the funding of my lab, but also it really gave me the confidence to go forward and try new things. Made me think, maybe I really can do this. Maybe I can run this research lab. Not only did I have the funding, but I also had the annual meetings where I met a number of really outstanding peer scientists.
My lab studies how cells decode and interpret their genome so they can perform the functions that they need to in our body. To do this, we build new hardware to make precision single-cell measurements. Going to meetings really gets together innovative minds who are at the early stage in their career and puts people in the same room so they can build a cohort of peer mentors.
Being a Pew Scholar is really being a Pew Scholar for life. And I keep coming back and meeting new people, so I feel like it's really a scientific home.
Pew has had an immeasurable impact. It's just made such a huge difference in so many careers.
When I look through the CVs of scientists who I admire, I've learned to not be surprised when I find that they too were a Pew Scholar. And that success not only impacts our career, but it impacts the career of our trainees.
And that network builds over a period of years and has a huge influence on science broadly in the United States and beyond. It's an incredible and very impactful way of changing the future of biomedicine.
We lead the lab, we educate and inspire the next generation. I think this is a Pew legacy. It will grow and continue.
The legacy of Pew over the past 40 years has really been tremendous. It's made the difference in so many people's careers. Each one of those scholars has gone on to touch many other lives. And so the legacy will continue to go on for the next 40 years.